Today we're going to talk about how technology can help with SDG goal number one, no poverty. First, we have the XMind tool to brainstorm some ideas, how IoT can help SDG number one, no poverty. It can help with education to increase job opportunities. It can increase job opportunities, which will increase income. Uh, we have healthcare and sanitation, medicine to eradicate diseases, and provide necessities like food and water through agriculture and farming. Extreme poverty. Extreme poverty is defined as people who live on less than $1.90 a day. 1 in 5 people in developing nations suffer from extreme poverty today. Good news is extreme poverty has been cut in half since 1990, and the goal is to cut it in half again by 2030. Another goal is to allow everyone to have access to basic services such as water, food, sanitation, and electricity. Here is a map of the share of population living in extreme poverty. We can see that the darker colors mean that it's a higher percentage of people that live in poverty, and we mainly see that in Africa. When we see these dark colors in some of these countries. United States is pretty light color, so around the 3 to 10% range. And Japan, which my group is doing, is also the same light color. So Japan versus USA. 0.73% of the Japanese population live below the poverty line, and 1% of the United States lives below the poverty line. So Japan is doing slightly better in that regard. But when it comes to access to basic services, electricity, um, food, sanitation, water, um, cooking fuels, those things, both Japan and USA both have very similar percentages, and they're both near 100%. Some solutions to extreme poverty. We can improve agricultural technology to help with access to food and clean water. Use technology to ensure sanitation and mitigate diseases in developing countries. Increase drug and medication access to those in poor areas that are more prone to getting sick. Use technology to help educate people in low income areas and increase job opportunities to ultimately increase income to get out of poverty. Thank you.